guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are playing Blox. I like this game. That's all I gotta say. I like this game, and yeah, I just like this game. No big deal. I just like this game. You have intermission. Okay. A new round now begin. Oh, come on. First round and I'm the seeker. I hate being the seeker, honestly. I like it. I really don't. Being the seeker stinks. I'm being seekers. Dumb. I hate being the seeker. My gosh. Oh, come on. We gotta do well. You better not quit. You better not quit. Don't quit. Oh. What a surprise. Where's my thingy out? How come I don't have my... How come I can't shoot? Here we go. Woo. Wait, why is this table like this? Bye-bye! No, I missed! No, what am I doing? I went, oh my gosh! I lost. No, it won't stop. Oh, there you are! Hi. And bye. Okay, I be not get confused with these controllers. I've never done these controllers. A, W, S, and D. I've never played a lot of time with these controllers. And it gets me all confused. I'm not sure how well I'm gonna do this game with it, but let's hope it goes well. I'm just gonna go down here. See, that's what I mean. This is what I mean. What? Wait, has that always been like that? No, it's not. Okay, there's only 3 hiders. We can do this. We got this. Oh, what? Okay. I think, has that table always been like that as well? Oh, the table! Oh, come on. 2 more hiders left. We can do this. Oh, one. What the? I think, I don't know where to go, really. There's 45 seconds left. Okay, let me go down here. Okay. No one down here. Yeah, I'm gonna go down. Don't shoot me! Okay, where can I be? Nah, no. Come on. Oh, yay! The Seekers win! Oh, yeah. No token. I got 1,143 tokens. Thank you. You don't actually need any. We open hats. I have a lot, so yeah. Oh, unicorn, that looks nice. I'll buy it. Unicorn. Unicorns. What? Why is my hat on? Oh, hurry! Okay, I'm wearing it. Exit, exit, exit! Exit! For crying out loud! Exit, exit! Here we go. Finally! Yay, I'm a hider. Unicorn hat. Okay, you list to the map. Give me a book. A book stack. Where should I go though? Okay, I'm gonna. Why let me jump? Wait. Wait, I don't. This isn't good enough. It needs to be kind of messy. There we go. I don't know if that's good enough. But I hope it's good enough, because that noise scared me for a bit. Stop taunting. Wait, should I go somewhere? Oh, that was so close. It was like right beside me. Okay, I'm staying as it is because a seeker just saw me, and if I go, then that seeker will know that it was me, and they'll be like, "Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid." Just kidding. Oh no, I jumped. I don't know. No, I don't know. I'm just trying to focus on the game here, guys. Okay. Oh, taunt, taunt. Oh. Oh, I'm taunting again. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What? I can't stop. No, 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 no. Oh, no. If I do this all the time, I won't get caught. No. No. Jump, jump, jump. It won't. It didn't let me jump. It didn't let me jump. That's not fair. It didn't let me jump. Now that is just a savage little game right there. So savage. Like, come on. What's that? Radar. Base changer. Instant hide. Seeker point. Vanish with vanish. Walk speed. Oh, come on. I don't need Robux for like. I don't want Robux. Yeah, I'm a hider again. Oh my gosh. I'm losing my room. I hate this place. Move. Oh, sorry. That is Blox. Get out. Stop. Get out of here. Stop. You're gonna get me caught. I swear, if that thing gets me caught, I am gonna flip. Get out! Get out, dude! gosh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah. What? Ow! Minion. Okay, that box is already there. I'm gonna look at the chairs. Oh yeah, there's definitely someone in here. Like, yeah, no. Ah. It won't let me. Okay. No! Okay, that one. Thank God. Get him! Wait, did we get him? What is he doing? Yeah, we are not winning this round, guys. Oh. Yeah, that too. No. Oh, I thought there was someone, because someone moved, like, somewhere around there. I don't know. Okay. Cheers, look pretty fine. What about the lamps? I don't know. One of them. Oh. Huh. I'm sick. Alright. Okay, 2 highs left. We can do this. We got this. We can do this. Okay. Okay. Oh, come on! 30 seconds. Come on. Come on. Quickly. No, we gotta find him. I don't trust it. Ah. We don't. Stop pushing me. Hey! Why'd you do that for? Oh, get him! Get him! No! It was right here. Oh well, guys, that concludes our video for today. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye!